What is up, everybody? This is your boy Kenyatta, and I have a quick question for you. Are you looking to learn HTML in 2018? Because if so, stick around because I might have something for you. Like I said before, my name is Kenyatta. I'm a software engineer and a full stack instructor. So basically what we're going to be talking about here is HTML. It's a little crash course I'm putting together. And basically this is geared towards those individuals who are new to web development or have an interest of getting into web development and just want to get an idea of what to expect. So this is a quick crash course. I'll go through the basics of HTML. I'll also do CSS and JavaScript and so other things in the future. But in this particular one, we'll talk about HTML. So start off, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. All right. So it's basically the building structure, the basic structure of every web page across the web. All right. Every web page you go to is built with HTML in some sort of fashion. Okay. Another thing is HTML can kind of be seen as Lego-like building blocks. All right. You can mix and match elements however you want on the page for the most part to achieve a certain desire you're looking for. Okay. And the next thing is all HTML web pages or documents consist things of like tags and elements and attributes and stuff like that. All right, which we'll get more into that. So here is an example of just the basics of a page structure you will see in HTML. It's pretty simple. You know, you have, in this example, we have a header element, we have a footer element, nav, main content. All right. Literally, it's just stacking elements around on the page and organizing it in the way that you want. Okay. So a good example of this that you're looking at would be if you ever use Gmail or Yahoo Mail online, or even Microsoft Outlook. I think it's called MSN or so, online. You know, they all follow this particular setup here. You know, you have the header element where you can search your emails. To the left will be your navigation, so your inbox, junk mail, anything like that. Then to the right of that will be your main content, or in that case, your emails. And then the footer will be the links of whichever email client you're using. So that's a brief introduction of kind of like what we'll be covering and what to expect with HTML. So if you're interested in that, it's something you want to look into, definitely leave a like below or a comment and follow me to the next video, and I will see you there.